Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks Christmas Day Extravaganza upload. Today we got 3 breaks coming up. We got break number 128. We got 1920 Black Diamond, the most viewed video on the channel is 1920 Black Diamond. In break 129, we will have a box of the second most viewed video, the product from that one, and that is 1920 Buybacks. And we will finish with a box of 1617 The Cup, basically one of the biggest risk, most expensive products out there. So yeah, we got 3 breaks today. On top of that, I also have something completely different to the channel. I got 3 of these autographed hockey puck mystery boxes. So I will be breaking 1 mystery puck for each break as well. So we got 1920 Black Diamond up now, box number 504, and buybacks will be up at 4 Eastern, 2 local, and the cup will be up at 6 Eastern, 4 local. So yeah, got a lot on our hands today. So yeah, Merry Christmas, folks. But let's get into this break. We got mystery puck, and then we'll get into 1920 Black Diamond. So yeah, these mystery pucks are something totally different and new to the channel. So let me know what you think of these mystery puck. And, first mystery puck we have we have a Hall of Famer, somebody inducted in '97. Brian Trottier. We got a Brian Trottier inscribed Hall of Fame '97 puck. Interesting. All right. Sorry about that. Somehow my phone slid out of the holder. But yeah, Brian Trottier Hall of Fame puck. And now let's get into 1920 Black Diamond, box number 504. The last box of Black Diamond we opened on the channel was pretty damn good in my opinion. So yeah, another box, exquisite pack, and Black Diamond pack. Starting off with the exquisite. Last Black Diamond had a very nice Matthews patch in the exquisite. Let's see what this one has. We have a extra exquisite 37 of 75 jersey of Taro Hirschrose. I have no clue who that is. But yeah, that's the bonus pack. now get into what we come here for, the Black Diamond pack. Alright, we got our decoy in, and see what Black Diamond has in store. We start off with a base 144 of 249, Steve Yzerman. Down to the bottom, we have a 13 of 99 rookie gems of Capo Caco. We have a Diamond Relics 301 of 349. Ryan Paling. Ryan Paling really following me around in this product. We have a Team Logo Jumbos rookie of Nick Suzuki. And finishing off, we have a Hall of Fame Rings auto, number 5 of 99, of Pat LaFontaine. Well, folks, that does it for break number 128. We had our mystery puck, Brian Trottier, Hall of Fame. Our bonus pack gave us a Taro Heroes 37 of 75 extra exquisite jersey. We had a Steve Yzerman base 144 of 249. Rookie Gems 13 of 99 Capo Caco. Diamond Debut Relics Jersey 301 of 349 Ryan Paling. Team Logo Jumbos Rookie of Nick Suzuki. And a Pat LaFontaine Hall of Fame Rings 5 of 99. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed the first Christmas Day break, 1920 Black Diamond, along with a mystery puck. The Black Diamond box, not the best in my opinion. Definitely did not live up to the last box that we opened. But yes, if you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't already hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so, and make sure to come back to the channel at 4 Eastern, 2 local time, where we will break another mystery puck along with a box of Upper Deck Buybacks. So if you did enjoy, feel free to come back, and don't miss future box breaks. We've got 6-pack Saturdays coming up every Saturday, and Sunday uploads coming into the new year, but that is just the first of the 3 breaks for the Christmas extravaganza. So yeah, for break number 128 on Christmas Day here, Merry Christmas.